Welcome back, everyone. Once again, bad stuff has happened. This was the warm-up flight. On the second pack, we did all sorts of fun stuff. We went through the McDonald's loop-de-loop and power looped it. We went through the tiny little gap that we're going to hit later on in this video. And it was just really, really nice to have a pretty cool video. But I didn't hit record. I'm so used to, like, with DJI how it just auto records, and then when I fly analog sometimes I forget to hit the record button, or like I hit record here and then I hit stop record when I should have just let it keep recording. I just stopped it so that I wouldn't lose the video, because sometimes I'll record and then forget to not record and then shut off my goggles and there goes the file. These are the cursed things that happen with FPV. Also here I'm testing out the mix mode on the Sky Zone, and it's not really working as well as later on when I put it on diversity, which you can't see. Thinking about updating the receiver because they got like an update for that and whatever. How about you? Do these problems befall upon you as well, or is it just me? Because I swear every single thing that I seem to do with FPV gets like destroyed, ruined, and just everything goes wrong. Finally finished designing the Great Discus, so you're gonna see more of that soon. And right now, if you look out the window, it is covered in snow because we're in Canada. So much for being able to test flying it. Make sure you subscribe and come along the journey. We're gonna have lots of fun. I'm gonna be doing a multimeter and soldering kit giveaway very soon. Get into that. Okay, love you.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!